So I'm trying out these new headlights for my 17 Fusion. That's the new one I installed. This is the factory. Let me show you what the headlights look like. Turn on the headlights. So you get those three lights there. And when you do the high beams, so this is with the high beams on. I haven't checked yet to see which one is actually controlling the actual high beam. If it's the inside one or the middle one, I haven't figured out which one yet. Then with the turn signal, I do the hazard, and this is with the hazard lights. Versus this is the factory one. So what you guys thought on this headlight? Here's a new one that I haven't opened up yet. So this is going to be the passenger side. Let me take the film off, see if that does you any good. But that's what they look like. I'll give them a shot, see how well, if they're any brighter than the factory one or if they're worse. If you are interested in buying this headlight, I'll put a link down in the description where you can buy a set of these lights.